A beautiful day to you, our wonderful scholars. You are on to Divine Offspring Virtual Classroom. Today on Science, our topic is hurricanes and typhoons. In today's lesson, you will learn what the hurricane is. We will also explore typhoons. Now, the first thing you need to do is ensure that your writing materials are ready with you. Then, look for a quiet place to study in your home. A quick look at the star words for today's lesson. And we have cyclone, typhoon, storm, tropical, thunderstorm, and hurricane. Let us check out these fascinating facts about hurricanes and typhoons. In the Atlantic, hurricane season starts on June 1, while in the Pacific, it starts on May 15. Both end on November 30. Hurricanes usually start in the ocean, and when they come onto land, the heavy rain, strong winds, and heavy waves can damage buildings, trees, and cars. The heavy waves are referred to as storm surge. 40% of the hurricanes that occur in the United States hit Florida. Typhoons, cyclones, and hurricanes are all essentially the same. Each is a rotating tropical storm system that starts at sea. What it is called only depends on where it is formed in the world. Due to its location in the tropics, the Philippines is one of the most prone countries to typhoons as well as other natural disasters like earthquakes, because it is also in a tectonic danger zone known as the Ring of Fire. So we begin with a short quiz for you. You can pause the video to attempt the questions. As soon as you're ready with your answers, hit the play button to continue. I'm sure you're ready now. Okay, let us check out what we have. And here are our answers. So how many of these questions did you get correctly? Everything? That's wonderful. Well done. Hurricane is a large rotating storm with high-speed winds. And this is how the hurricane starts in the ocean. A tropical disturbance is the first stage of development of a hurricane. It consists of a mass of thunderstorms that have slight wind circulation. When a hurricane strikes a coastal area, it causes a number of serious hazards. These hazards include heavy rains, high winds, a storm surge, and even tornadoes. The storm surge pushes seawater on shore during a hurricane, and it floods towns near the coast. Heavy rains cause flooding in inland places as well. Surge. What does it mean? It simply means water overflowing its boundary as a result of a hurricane, as shown in the picture. Heavy wind. Heavy wind can be caused by a hurricane. We are advised to leave areas marked for hurricane completely for our safety. Wreckage. This is the remains of a horrific hurricane, a complete disaster. Take a look at the level of destruction. Here are the top 9 most hurricane-prone cities in the United States. We have Cape Hatteras in North Carolina, Delray Beach in Florida, Hollywood in Florida too, Deerfield Beach in Florida, Boca Raton in Florida, Florida City, Florida, Grand Isle, Louisiana, Fort Pierce in Florida, and lastly, Miami in Florida. Hurricanes have also occurred in the Caribbean islands and other places like Cuba, the Bahamas, and West Indies. Typhoon. Typhoons are storms that rotate or spin around a center called an eye. Their formation is similar to how hurricane is formed. Typhoons are also disastrous. Let us check out the typhoon and its side effects. Hurricanes or typhoons have devastating effects on the coast. They can lead to loss of lives and property. An example is shown in the Philippines. We have some summary questions for you to test your understanding of the topic. In your own words, define hurricane. Will you live in areas prone to typhoon? Give reason or reasons for your answer. Then make a research on places where hurricanes and typhoons have occurred. That will be all for today. Thank you for listening in, for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.